Hi, I'm Rebecca Nesson. At Harvard College, I'm the Associate Dean of the Harvard College Curriculum, and I'm also an Associate Senior Lecturer in Computer Science. At Harvard Extension School, I teach Computer Science 20, which is the same course that I teach at Harvard College. At Harvard College is one of the foundational courses of the computer science concentration, and at Harvard Extension, a lot of students take it as one of the admissions courses for the ALM in IT. It's a challenging course, and one of the ways that I make it work really well is by making it pretty interactive. This is something that I'm able to do because of the way Harvard Extension School does its online courses. Instead of online courses that are essentially you on your own at home watching videos and participating on discussion boards, at Harvard Extension School, my class is able to be really interactive online. So I record some short lecture videos before class, and in class, we work together on problems, and you work in small groups with the other students in the class and directly with me and the teaching assistants. This is really excellent because it allows all of the Harvard Extension School students to bring their life experience, their work experience, and their challenges and excitement about the course material into the class. And it just makes the class more engaging, more fun, and much richer than it would be another way. It makes what sometimes even seem like long class sessions when you look at them in advance go really, really quickly. And it makes it possible for the students in the class to succeed with some really challenging material. I hope that you consider Harvard Extension School for your next step in your education, because I think it's just a great way for you to be able to forge your own path, figure out what it is that's important to you, and then come to Harvard Extension School and study it here, and be able to do that in a way where you're able to form peer relationships and also mentor relationships with faculty who can really help you in the next steps in your life. So good luck in making your choices for what you do next, and I hope to see you in class.